one missing document in real estate can cost you millions. And that's why I bring up this teaching to educate you so that you watch out for the documents that are available before you pay for your property. Here in Cameroon, there are documents that are key that need to be available upon investing in a property. One of those key documents is the land title. Of course, the land title, like I've stated, is a document that shows proof of ownership of a particular property, and it is issued by the government. And this document give you a sole ownership of a property that even the government cannot take that property from you. And even if they want to, it must go under due legal procedures, and you must be compensated before that property is taken away from you. The next document you want to look out for aside the land title is a chief attestation. The chief attestation makes you an owner of a property in a local community, so people in that local community can attest that you are the owner of that property, and it is issued by the chief in charge of that maybe customary land that you want to purchase. The next thing you want to do is that you want to get a site plan. The site plan makes sure that you know your boundaries, because in this site, boundary disputes are very common. So you want to get your site plan that demarcates your property and shows a clear line between your boundaries and that of your neighbor. You want to get a sales agreement. You want to get a deed, right? A deed, maybe a deed of conveyance, a deed of assignment, a deed of gift, a deed of allocation. You want to get a deed, of course, and you want to get a seller identification. Who is selling the land to you? You want to get their IT cards, their location, or they do. You want to just get the identification. It's very important. And why do I emphasize on getting documents? The reason why you want to get documents is because documents protect ownership. Yes, documents protect ownership. When you have a document, you are legally backed that this property is yours. Documents prevent dispute. When you have your documents, you're always on the winning side. There is no call for alarm. There's no fright. It always prevents you from dispute. Documents secure legal rights. You are legally sound and backed. Nothing can shake you. End by saying that never ignore verification. Trust without documentation is risky. So always make sure that you have your documents that you add to the trust when you're securing your property. Of course, I remain your real estate consultant and land banking expert, Kingsley Hour, and you can always get to me through the numbers on your screen, and we are always here to guide you on the best deals in land here in the city of Boya, in the southwest region of Cameroon, so you can always get to us. For now, stay blessed, and of course, you can subscribe and keep getting updates about lands and guides to make sure that you invest properly. Stay blessed and see you in the other one.